What's up? Kia 2 Technical. I'm back again with another video today. I wanted to do a sound test on my LG Wing. So let's get into it. So first I'm gonna go to YouTube and we're gonna play some non-copyrighted music. Let me turn my volume up all the way. Let me type in non-copyrighted music. Because we don't want to get no strikes on this end. So I'm just going to play you a song or two to let you see how it sounds. Because this only has one bottom down firing speaker, not two. Should have had two, but it only has one. Let's play this one right here. And the volume is turned. But hold on, because I don't know if there's anything in that. Skip ad, okay. The volume is turned all the way up on the device. Sounds good with the volume all the way turned up. But now, I'm gonna cup it. When you cup it, it gets a little muffled. See? Especially if your hand is here. I guess you can say the sound isn't bad, but it could be better if it had two speakers, double speakers on her, because when you tend to watch a YouTube video, you tend to hold your phone like this, and with your bottom hand is usually cupping this area right here, and that's getting in the way of the speaker. But if it had two firing speakers, then you would have sound coming from down here and sound coming from up here. So if you're muffling this, you would still have sound coming from up here. But this only has one speaker on it. And that was just me showing you what it would sound like coming from this LG Wing. Like I said, it's not bad, but it could be better if it had another speaker on the top. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube Tech channel. And I'll catch you in another video. I'm out.